Here's how you can spend Mukesh Ambani's expenditure on his son's pre-wedding on supercars. Bugatti La Voiture Noire for £14 million. Pagani's on HP Barchetta for £13.5 million. Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute for £2.8 million. Aston Martin Valkyria for £2.5 million. Lamborghini Sian FKP 37 for £2.6 million. McLaren Speedtail for £2.1 million. Ferrari LaFerrari Aperta for £5.5 million. Rolls-Royce Sweptail for £10 million. Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus for £4.2 million. Porsche 918 Spider for £781,155. And you will still have £99 million left. Subscribe for more mind-blowing information.